Just want to show you what I did today. It's a 1974 MGB Roadster. So I cut this piece out, back quarter piece. Got a nice little surprise too, so I'm going to have to put a piece of metal over that and patch it. But that's what I took off, with a whole crap load of mud on it. So I have been lately watching YouTube videos. My friend Pete down in Texas is nice enough to put some of these videos on. And he put a video on there of, I believe it was 3 parts of a truck fender, how to replace it. So I just went ahead and took his idea. As you can see, measured everything out. Got a nice lip right there. Not as good as Pete. I think the tool wasn't very good. But so let me pause. Okay, I'm back. Went ahead and put it up. So there we go. So, never done that before. It's the first time. I'd say it didn't come out too shabby. Yeah, and kind of went a little overboard with the cutting wheel. That's okay, I can feel that. Won't be noticeable because it's a door jamb. But, not bad. Not bad at all. Got the same thing to do on the other side. And I also did patch panel on the fender. Let me pause this, show you the fender. So here's the fender. That's what I pulled off. Didn't want to mess around with that, so just screw it, chop it. That's what I did right there. Same concept. Got the lip.